Hey everybody, I appreciate you coming to see this. Your support means a lot.
More than a lot. It means 936 American dollars. Cash, lads.
We're only here because these broke asses want proof before they pay.
That actually makes way more sense.
Can't believe you actually hung out with these fuckers.
You jealous, old man?
Of what? Let me guess. You get into a bar fight? I'm right? That's what criminals do at bars. They ruin everybody's fun. Fact. If you're gonna make me stand next to a criminal, you could at least hurry this shit up.
If you're gonna make me stand next to Benjamin's fucking button, you could at least change his diaper.
You're the only one here that's full of shit.
You missed Flambe trying to kill me after I revealed my identity.
I saved his life. His whole ass life. Now he owes me a whole ass life.
Or even though because I paid for your tacos.
Right, I forgot. Because I would easily exchange your life for the double crunch kind. Okay, protocol test 19 ready to commence. We good when you good, Mecca Man.
Engaging protopols. Now.
All readings super stable.
Here we go. Time to make your grand re-entrance.
Alright, ready for launch.
Roger that.
See there? Is that confirmation enough for you cheap-ass bitches? Pay me my money.
Fucking hell.
Told y'all, it's so obvious he don't have superpowers.
It's a fucking waste of time. If he was gonna lie about being a hero, why would he pick Mecha Man?
Reminder the mic is still open.
Looks better than the original.
The smoke is a little overkill.
I thought the same too, but I think the purple is a nice touch.
What smoke? Shut it down!
Help him, Roy!
Get him out.
Shit!
It's locked down. Shit.
Oh, fuck, I'm on it.
Welcome back.
How long was I out?
About 14, 15 hours, I think.
You okay, Royd? Why do you look worse than me?
It's over, brother. I cannot recreate the astral pulse. Too much power, too small a size. No pulse mean I can't make the man mecha. I'm not good enough, bro. Fail you, I fail everybody. Almost bring down the whole team. Almost get you, almost get everybody blowed up.
Hey, listen. You might not believe in yourself right now, but I believe in you, Royd.
It's not a little league game, brother. This real life.
Royd? You did your best. I can't ask for anything else. Thank you.
I heard that big bastard crying in the bathroom. Makes it hard to shit when somebody's doing that next to you, you know?
Pretty distracting, yeah. Everyone else okay? And busy go?
Fine. One thing she's good at is disappearing when people get hurt.
What's your deal with her? You give everyone shit, but it always seems extra with Vizzy.
She's a liability. And one of us needs to be objective when it's clear something's going on between the two of you. Don't think I don't see it. It's all over your stupid face. You like her. So I gotta hate her for both of us.
You're reading it wrong. We work together, Chase. Our relationship is strictly professional. Nothing more than that.
Look, just be careful, kid. Some people, they're black holes. You reach out to help them and they just suck you in and do whatever the fuck black holes do. I don't know. They fuck you up.
Your new look screams I know some science shit, so I was with you the whole way.
Nah, come on, take the day off.
No, really. I'm fine. All I've got to do is sit at a desk.
Desk work doesn't land you in the infirmary. Think about that.
I'll mull it over.
Stick to the plan. If they're red ring or enhanced, proceed with caution. Oh, one sec. What are you doing up? You really gave us a scare.
Turns out, I'm completely fine. Just sort of time traveled several hours into the future where I feel pretty rested.
Oh, cool, yeah. That happens to me every night.
Wish I could say the same. How's your shift going?
Good? Yeah, challenging. Made worse by all the enhanced villains we're dealing with lately. I have a whole new appreciation for you. I'm sorry about the pulse. Give us some time. Royd's a little down, but I'm sure we can come up with alternate power sources. Hey, really looking forward to tonight. Perfect timing.
Yeah, same. Wait, what are you...
So, I'm no dispatch dude, but I don't know if sending him a level at a sub at Sunday school was the move. New me? Fucking rocks.
Get my good side.
Alright, what'd I fucking miss?
Holy shit, man, you're okay? Yeah, I was so fucking scared, dude.
Guess Mecha Man's a bit sturdier than we thought.
Damn, boy, you ate mad shit.
We got your present. Did you see it?
I did, thank you. That was very nice.
Yes, well, I'm glad you're not dead. That would have been inconvenient.
I am impressed with your fragile body's ability to sustain such a wide array of injuries. Welcome back.
Hello? Yes, it's that time of month again. Send your finest over to clean my abode.
Robert, some asshole keeps hacking into my notes app. He's fucking with all my stand-up comedy material. Also, I think they have access to our secure servers.
Blazer hold down the fort okay?
She did the best she could. Must be a bit rusty.
She's been away from the desk too long.
I thought this was an easy job.
Well, it's not. I just make it look easy.
Shit, Robert. You're actually cool.
He's not. He's just been gone all day, so it seems like he is.
I am here to help.
Quite the odd couple.
Couple? You aren't my typical romantic companion, but I could be persuaded.
Flambe is still out sick.
Sick of your shit, maybe. But yeah, I haven't heard anything from him since last night.
Funny. I thought he was gonna catch me on the way in. Fuck me up in the parking lot.
Yeah, I thought so too.
No one believes me, but there's definitely a ghost in my house. Anybody over there good at exorcisms? Or whatever?
Re-election's coming up and we're hosting a little roast of the mayor. An SDN hero would really round out our guest list.
There's a full-on gang war happening at the warehouse district. Looks like Red Ring and the Frigos.
Shit. The Red Ring's closing in on this biker gang.
Oh, that's actually the Frigos. They're an e-biker gang. Way worse.
Ugh, I thought we had it.
Hey, all better.
18, Blazer's doing a speech over the college, and one of you will be there to hear it.
You can't say you're not impressed. You can't. I mean, you can, I just won't believe you. I'm pleased to report my success.
Did you guys hear Vanderstank and his wife got divorced?
Finally. I was beginning to believe Vanderstank's wife lacked both taste and sense.
I knew the vibes were off this morning, but I couldn't tell if it was divorce vibes or shitty commute traffic vibes.
Hey, maybe she's not going to hell after all.
Marrying someone can send you to hell.
Yeah, but only if you marry a billionaire.
The faction of light needs your help to overtake the faction of darkness. Preferably before 8 when the park closes.
What the fuck is a LARP?
It stands for live action role play, but it's not a sex thing. Okay, it's like people dressing up and playing pretend type shit.
Still sounds like a sex thing. Graceful, but deadly.
Mr. Vanderstank is requesting assistance. His line of delivery bots appear to have gained sentience and are attacking the city.
Sentience is fucking weird.
Golem, you are so right. Why would those bots want in on this shit?
Robbery downtown. Suspect is in pursuit, but we need SDN to defrost the bank.
Too bad there's no Grammy for this. An opportunity for Flambe to burn shit, and he ain't even here.
It might take a while, but you could try chipping away at the ice.
Together, the two of us would be unstoppable.
Bet you say that to everybody. Oh, I haven't walloped anything all damn day.
So, you creaming over this, or what?
Colby.
Listen, it was bring your kid to work day, and I thought he could try using the forklift.
Vanderstank wants them destroyed, but I think there's a way to reprogram them.
There's some activity down in the sewers. My tenants are getting uneasy. Can you folks look into it?
Jesus, that took forever.
Go on!
I now understand the true power of work-life balance. Get dusted. We're still cool though, right?
Call me a BOGO bitch.
Yeah, I didn't know there was a tiny man inside Mega Man.
Are you disappointed?
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
Yeah, let me finish this taco. Oh.
Is there a knife sharpener on the way?
Fuck, that's on me.
Oh, blonde blazer.
I'll handle it.
Yo, who got the snacks?
I thought you said you had it.
No, that was me.
Night, everyone. Oh, I'm pretty fucking beat. I'll see your dumbasses in the morning.
I've got the booze.
Folks down for a carpool? I got room.
Shotgun.
I will be happy to assist in transport if someone wished to fly over in my arms.
I mean, you know, it feels like for the first time in a long time, I can see a life without Mecha Man. You know, which I'm sure you would appreciate. Been nice that we get to spend more time together, right? I don't want to die in that suit. And I think for a long time, maybe I did. Like, it was the only option. Whether it was the suit exploding or just me keeling over in it as an old man, figured my story would always end in there. But not so much anymore. But just when I feel like I got a handle on it, got it figured out, I think about Chase and my dad and Shroud, then I get all fucked up. You know what I'm saying, Beef? You know what I mean? Yeah. Exactly. See, this is why I appreciate her talks.
Are you decent?
Definitely a house that needs some warmth.
Yeah, I told him that the last time I came. Somehow it looked worse.
I am in my underwear.
I can see you. I was joking when I asked if you're decent.
I know. I just need you to know that I know how I look right now.
That rubs out, by the way. You just have to put a little muscle into it. Do you know where you want to hang this?
Why are you holding a lamp?
I think he's only considered where he'd hang himself. That corner seems fine. It's a housewarming gift for your housewarming party, Robert. I told people to bring a lamp or something.
Wait, people? More people are coming here? To my home. Look, I'm not really in a party mood right now.
Not what it looks like to me with your tidy whities.
Okay, she just touched my...
This is your family photo area? Kind of morbid. Which I'm kind of into.
Is that my work computer?
We figured it out, brother. The man can be Mecca again.
After your little premature Jack explosion, I had this feeling like I'd seen it before.
Then Vizzy asked me to get the energy reading we got this morning and cross-reference with recent calls.
Wait. It's not destroyed?
Nope. And a bunch of B-grade villains have been trying to unlock its power only to end up blowing their asses off like you did. Then they sell it on the next sucker and the same shit. It's passed hands at least 4 times that we've tracked.
How does Shroud not know this?
Yeah, probably think like us. I think it was destroyed. But he's a smart fucker, and he gonna figure it out soon enough.
That's why we get to it first.
Which is why we're having a party?
The Z-Teamers know every low-level supervillain in 3 counties. We track its location. They'll know who has it. Then we kick in some doors, knock some heads, snatch that shit back, and you'll be pulsing or whatever in no time.
Regardless of how this plays out. Thank you, both of you. I'm just, I can't remember the last time someone did something so... God, what is wrong with you?
Just get gushy after we find the shit.
So, one of the last pings that we got was from a boat over here in Marina del Rey. Which is?
Oh, Yachty territory.
Why, she's here first. You know much about those guys?
Old money crew of ascot-wearing cokeheads. Skylar Arcadia runs it now. 3 generations that family's been trying to finger me.
What are they accusing you of?
You're cute.
We're gonna ask you some questions about a piece of tech they moved. But first, Rob gotta put on pants.
Aw, what? But then I can't do this.
Yep, right on that. do understand how projectors work, right?
Felt more dramatic. And bare walls are a sign of depression.
Why is it always a warehouse by the docks?
It's where stuff comes in and stuff goes out. Not a rocket scientist, are you?
No, that was my dad. What kind of security are you dealing with?
That's where it gets tricky.
Shit.
That's more than shit. You need a fucking army.
I'll go. Can't shoot what you can't see.
Look, this is really great work, but doing this tonight is out of the question. Hitting a secure location like this is something they would handle downtown.
Are you kidding? There's enough firepower in this room to take down a fucking kaiju.
Bunch of drunk-ass Z-teamers, please. Y'all wouldn't make it past the front door.
No one's asking you to do a goddamn thing, okay?
Hey, no need for that. We take the day to plan it with downtown and hit the warehouse tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night? This thing's not gonna sit still for that long. If we don't grab it, someone else will.
She's right. They're ready. We're ready.
Robert, no. It's not happening.
There's no guarantee it'll be there tomorrow. We need to go now.
She said no. You understand that word, or has it got too many fucking syllables for you?
Why don't you go walk your ass around a mall, Grandpa? Heroes are talking.
You are no fucking hero.
Whoa, hey!
She named you Invisigal, you named yourself Invisibitch, and you had it fucking right.
Chase, you're drunk. You need to stop talking.
You want to get people hurt, get people fucking killed, then you need to go back to the team where you belong.
Hey! Everybody just calm down.
This is crazy.
She thinks she's like you, but she's not. Robert doesn't need to keep going out there with no powers, putting his life on the line to make up for assholes like you. He doesn't need to be Mecha Man to be a hero. You playing them, you playing yourself. You think you're invisible, but I fucking see you.
You don't know anything about me.
I know you're a liar, criminal. I know you're fucking dangerous. What else do I need to know? There. Now I know you're a coward.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Vizzy, wait!
That was a nice uppercut. That bitch sent his ass airborne. How are you not dead?
So... we doing shots now, or what?
Chase already had his.
That's enough for tonight. I'm sorry this turned into whatever just happened.
Oh, okay.
Anyone who utters one word about what happened tonight fucking answers to me. Got it?
Visigal...
Yeah, so... I might have to do that once a month or so, as a release of my hatred for you. But perhaps with some time, you'll be less of a bitch to me. Yeah, we'll see. Happy housewarming, bitch. Your place fucking sucks.
Sir, you can't park there. That's the red zone. Thought you went home.
Came back to apologize. All these goddamn apartments look the same. That guy watching us from the balcony walked into his house thinking it was yours. Sorry about that.
Fuck you!
Hey, he said he was sorry.
Well, fuck you too!
Okay, let's just...
You sure this ain't vodka?
She told you?
Made quite a first impression. Didn't know you were into spitting in people's mouths. Kinky shit. It's that internet somehow made sex boring.
Okay, now you sound how you look.
Another thing I can't do anymore. Fuck. Maybe it's why I say the word so much.
Sorry, Chase. I hadn't thought about that.
I had a pretty good run. You ever think about why we do what we do? Help people. Put it all on the line for someone who won't ever know your name, won't send you a thank you card, won't be at your bedside when you get hurt.
It's just the right thing to do.
Sure. And you think the Z-Team will be able to tell the difference?
That first week, Izzy was gonna walk off the team. You know, she's feeling low, talking about how she was born with powers that always meant she'd end up as a villain. Like he was fated. So, obviously, I gave her the pep talk, you know. Like, that's all bullshit. You make up your own fate, yada yada. I don't even remember what I said, but I do remember thinking, oh, fuck. Yeah, that must have been hard. Like, if I didn't have you, you know, and my dad, where would I have ended up?
You were always good. That was always in you. It's what makes us different from a thief like her.
Oh, come on. You've stolen things, too.
What? You racist motherfucker, I never stole a fucking thing in my entire fucking life.
Chase, you've literally stolen things from me.
Oh yeah, but that doesn't count. That was for somebody else.
What, you quietly contemplating?
Yeah, I guess I hadn't considered some things. But I think the answers are out there, if you just listen to the wind.
I see why you and Beef get along.
Oh, where's my guy? Oh, I'm sorry, my poor boy. That's it, there's my boy, there's my good boy. Who's a good boy? Beef is.
Is there a mic on this? Hey! Hey, can you hear me? The fuck are you doing?
Oh, not much. Just looking for your stupid-ass pulse that's somewhere on this big-ass boat. Someone must have dropped a pin in the supervillain group chat, because this place is crawling with dipshits. Good news is, they don't know where it is either.
You know who's not good, Beefy boy? You know who's a real pain?
Fizzy.
Get out of there now.
Look, you're disappointed, I'm disappointed. I'm sure Chase will have some shit to talk, but I'm here, and this is
our last chance of getting this thing.
Okay, maybe if I can hack into the system, I can trace the energy signal. Check the manifest.
Something.
Something would be great. Yeah, let's start with something.
Shit, need a password. Hey, I'm getting a huge energy reading coming from the
captain's quarters.
Right, and I'm supposed to know where that is?
See that tower?
The biggest one. It's at the top.
Oh, perfect. So you want me to cross this active battlefield?
Look, I didn't want you to do any of this shit.
I get it, okay. Jesus.
Keep your eyes peeled for Visibit. Looks like she might know something we don't.
Shit, they're onto me.
Oh, hey, there's a door to your left.
Fuck, it's locked. Feel free to take your time. Just catching up with some old friends.
I think I can use this.
Hurry up!
Almost got it.
What the fuck?
This fucking guy.
Okay, hey, Izzy, lead him towards that
speaker tower. I've got an idea.
Better be a good one. Follow me, Featherdick. I got something real cool to show you. At the tower. Do your thing.
Working on it.
Work faster!
Fuck you.
Busy. Cover your ears.
Is that why birds fly into shit?
Busy, look out, behind you.
Fuck me, how am I supposed to get around that?
Look, hey, just worry about not dying. I'll find you a way around.
Huh?
God, why does the crane have the hardest controls? Still got it. Why me just passing through?
Fuck me, they're minding me.
That's right. Now the crane.
Heads up, lights here. The captain's quarters should be right in front of you.
Tell us where the pulse is, Invisibitch, before we go full Pompeii on your ass.
Full Pompeii on my ass? What kind of threat is that? You gonna give me diarrhea?
Wait, no! That was predictable.
Where the fuck is this thing? Because that's not gonna hold him for long.
It's in the safe.
The safe? I don't know how to open a fucking safe.
Fuck. Alright, let me see what I can do.
I'd say this was excessive, but...
Just hurry up! They're almost through the door!
All right.
Safe's open. Is it in there?
I don't know. Does it look like a little glowy butt plug?
You know what? I guess it does. Okay.
So now all you gotta do is sneak past the...
Why did it stop? Holy shit, are they? Robert, what's going on?
I'm here. Just hang on. Trying to get the camera back online. I see you. You're good. Just take one step at a time.
Visigal, stop!
Shroud, behind you!
No. Hey, Busy, stay calm. Your inhaler, it's...
A few feet in front of you, okay? You gotta get to it.
Hey, Busy, he's just gonna keep fucking with you, but you don't give up, okay? Busy, you gotta fight. Please. Busy, hey, listen to me. You get up. Get up! Keep up. No!
Okay, yeah, you're good.
Got it.